2025 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 Best New and Updated Sports Touring Motorcycles. The 2025 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 is making waves in the middleweight sport touring segment with notable updates that enhance its versatility and rider experience. The Tiger Sport 660 combines performance, practicality, and fun in a way no other middleweight adventure sport bike does. With a characterful triple engine, agile handling, and advanced rider-focused technology, it's perfect for riders looking for a bike that adapts to their needs, whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer. The award-winning Tiger Sport 660 gains a host of new rider-focused technology for 2025, raising the bar in a competitive market. With its characterful triple engine and agile handling, it's perfect for riders looking for a bike that adapts to their needs, from adding fun to the city commute to weekend exploring. Triumph Motorcycles has added advanced technology usually reserved for larger capacity segments, including a new sport rider mode, smartphone connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation, cruise control, and the Triumph Shift Assist up and down Quickshifter. With optimized cornering ABS and traction control also included as standard, the new Tiger Sport 660 provides an even more versatile performance. The Tiger Sport's sporty and fun engine character, distinctive design, protective bodywork, and comfortable ergonomics make it the ultimate middleweight all-rounder. This is further enhanced by design details like the integrated pannier mounts, which makes traveling with luggage easy and seamless, a large 17.2-litre fuel tank helping riders travel further, for longer, and the windscreen that can be adjusted with just one hand and no tools. An A2 restrictor kit is also available as an accessory, which can be fitted by an authorized dealer, making the Tiger Sport 660 perfect for A2 license holders, with easy derestriction once a full A license has been achieved. Feel the unmatched performance of the only triple-cylinder engine in its class, perfectly balancing low-end torque with thrilling top-end power. With 79 HP at 10,250 RPM and 47 lb-ft of torque at 6,250 RPM, the engine delivers smooth, responsive, and linear power at every twist of the throttle. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving through open roads, the Tiger Sport 660's punchy mid-range torque ensures both exhilarating performance and practical usability. The slip and assist clutch further enhances rideability, reducing clutch effort for smoother gear changes and less fatigue, even on longer rides. And the sound? Unmistakable and intoxicating. The standard fit Quickshifter allows for fast, seamless gear changes, enhancing the sporty riding experience and making the Tiger Sport 660 even more dynamic. The 2025 Triumph Tiger Sport 660 starts around $9,595 US. At just 456.3 pounds, wet, the Tiger Sport 660 is lightweight and nimble, making it easy to maneuver through traffic or on twisty back roads. With its 32.87-inch, 835mm seat height and narrow frame, it offers accessibility for newer riders while providing excitement for seasoned adventurers. The balance between power and control ensures confidence with every ride. The Tiger Sport 660 delivers confidence-inspiring handling, thanks to its 456.3 pounds wet weight and Showa 41mm 1.61 inches upside-down forks. Paired with Michelin Road 5 tires for superior grip in all conditions and Nissin Twin 310mm 12.20 inches disc brakes, it's built for agility, whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through fast, flowing corners. The Showa monoshock rear suspension with preload adjustment ensures comfort and stability, whether riding solo or with a passenger. With its Nissin brakes and optimized cornering ABS, the Tiger Sport 660 delivers exceptional stopping power exactly when you need it. Whether you're navigating wet roads or taking on challenging terrain, the switchable traction control system helps you stay steady in adverse conditions, offering you a safer, more controlled ride without sacrificing fun. Adapt to any ride with the Tiger Sport 660's 3 riding modes: Sport, New, Road, and Rain. Whether you're after sharp acceleration for a fast, fun ride or controlled power in challenging conditions, these modes adjust the bike's performance to match your needs. Effortlessly switch between modes to ensure the perfect ride in any situation. Take the stress out of long rides with the Tiger Sport 660 Standard Fit Cruise Control. Perfect for relaxed highway riding, this feature maintains a steady speed, reducing rider fatigue over long distances. It's ideal for touring and longer trips, ensuring that every mile is more comfortable. Designed for long journeys and daily commutes alike, the Tiger Sport 660 features an upright riding position, adjustable windscreen, and a plush seat for both rider and passenger comfort. With a 4.4-gallon fuel tank providing over 2.7 miles of range, this bike is built to keep you comfortable on the road all day. The ergonomics are further enhanced by integrated pillion grab handles for enjoyable two-up riding. The Tiger Sport 660's full-color TFT display and standard fit My Triumph connectivity system allow you to stay connected without taking your eyes off the road. With features like turn-by-turn navigation, call handling, and music control, you can manage your ride with ease and enjoy the journey while staying plugged in. The modern display ensures that all your vital ride information is easy to read and accessible at a glance.